This 85-inch mini LED QLED 4K Ultra HD TV Bravia 9 series is a complete game-changer for anyone who takes their home entertainment seriously. From the moment it lights up, the scale, brightness, and color precision immediately stand out. Sony's mini LED technology, paired with QLED, creates incredibly bright highlights, deep blacks, and vibrant, natural colors. Every scene, from sweeping landscapes to detailed close-ups, is rendered with impressive clarity and realism, bringing both movies and games to life in ways that smaller screens simply can't match. At the heart of this TV is Sony's Bravia XR processor, which goes beyond conventional image processing. It analyzes each frame with cognitive intelligence, adjusting contrast, color, and detail dynamically. Textures feel richer, skin tones more lifelike, and subtle details pop even in dark or complex scenes. The result is a cinematic experience that makes every movie, TV show, or streaming video feel immersive and true to life. Gamers will find this setup particularly impressive. When paired with the PlayStation 5 Disc Edition, this TV delivers 4K gameplay with high refresh rates and low latency. HDR content is vivid and detailed, ensuring every highlight, shadow, and reflection enhances the gaming experience. From fast-paced shooters to expansive open-world adventures, the combination of responsive input and crisp visuals ensures gaming feels smooth, fluid, and fully engaging. Google TV brings an intuitive interface to the setup, making streaming and navigation seamless. Popular apps like Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video, and YouTube are all easily accessible, while Google Assistant allows for voice control. Searching for content, launching apps, or even controlling smart home devices can be done without ever picking up a remote. The interface is not only functional but personalized, offering recommendations based on viewing habits. Sound is another area where this TV shines. The acoustic multi-audio system places speakers precisely to match the action on screen, producing a sense of spatial realism that elevates the audio experience. Dialogue is crisp, ambient sounds are detailed, and explosions or other intense sequences feel like they are coming directly from the scene. Whether watching films, playing games, or following live sports, the audio quality enhances immersion significantly. The design is sleek and minimalist. Nearly bezel-less edges and a slim profile make this TV a centerpiece without dominating the room. It can be mounted on a wall or placed on the included stand, adapting to various living room setups. The premium build quality reflects the high-end technology inside, ensuring durability and aesthetic appeal. Motion handling is fluid and precise. Sports, action films, and video games appear sharp with minimal blur, while older content benefits from Sony's frame interpolation technology, making everything look polished and lifelike. Gamers will also appreciate features such as auto low latency mode and variable refresh rate support, which ensures smooth performance without sacrificing image quality. Future-proofing is an important consideration, and this TV delivers. HDMI 2.1 support, 4K at 120 Hz, and next-gen HDR gaming compatibility make it ready for upcoming content and gaming releases. This is a TV that will continue to perform at the highest level for years to come, keeping both movies and gaming at peak quality. Combining the massive 85-inch mini LED QLED display, Bravia XR processing, Google TV smart features, premium audio, and PlayStation 5 Disc Edition makes this an all-in-one home entertainment powerhouse. Every aspect, from visual fidelity to responsive gameplay and immersive sound, is engineered to deliver an experience that feels cinematic, interactive, and fully engaging. Setting up the TV is simple whether you choose the wall mount or stand, and the immediate difference in picture and sound quality is striking. This combination is more than just hardware. It's a complete entertainment ecosystem. For anyone looking to elevate movies, gaming, streaming, and live content, this setup provides unmatched performance, bringing the full next-gen experience into the living room. If you want to bring this level of immersive entertainment home, the link in the description is where you can grab yours today. It's more than a TV and a console. It's a full-scale, cinematic, next-gen gaming experience ready to transform your home.